Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my Manny and Me February subscription box from Maniology. This is a monthly subscription box for $25. You get 2 exclusive stamping plates, 2 stamping polishes, and a surprise gift. I will leave a link in my description box if you are interested in checking it out. Now to the unboxing. So in the box, I see 2 cards, Manny and Me. And this month's theme for the box is aromatherapy. And it just gives you a description of the stamping polishes. And this is a picture of what they used, of how they used the plates and the polishes. And they gave some stickers as the gift. And then look how beautiful this wrapping is. So here we're gonna open it up. Alright, so what's inside? First thing I'm going to pick up is the polishes. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So let me get my scissors. Alright. Ooh, all right, so the first polish I'm looking at is like a little minty green. Very nice. And the name of it is Mint. Very nice. So the second color is like a kind of like a coppery color. And the name of it is Chamomile. And then, oh, this is actually the gift. The stickers were just an extra. But this is the gift, which is actually a nail oil, a nail and cuticle oil. So let's open her up. Ooh, look how pretty. Joyful Jasmine is what it's called. Very nice. I love the way the bottle looks. Very nice. And now we're going to get to our stamping plates. So this is the first one. Don't know if you could see it. Alright, very nice. And this one is Maniology MXM050. And I'll put a better shot of these plates so you can see them better. The second plate. This is the second one. Very pretty. Very pretty. And this one is Maniology MXM049. All right. So that's everything that I got for this month. Please keep watching for a demo of these products. Okay, so for the demo, I went ahead and painted some of the nail tips in black and white. I used gel polish. The two gel polishes I used were the Beatles gel polish. The white one is number 325. And then the black one is number 344. And those came out of the New Year holiday collection from Beatles. And I'm also using the Maniology stamper. This is the monocle stamper. And then I'm using their scraper to scrape the image. So the first stamping plate that we are going to use is going to be MXM049. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the first color that we opened up, which was the mint. So this is what the color looks like. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna randomly pick one. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a big one. Let's see. Go ahead and pick this one. So you're gonna apply the stamping polish. Use the scraper, scrape, use the stamper, pick up the image. Look at that, beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stamp so you can see how it looks like in black and white. Very nice. Not sure if you could see that. It definitely picks up more in the black section. Very nice. Ooh, I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that again. I'm gonna use one of the smaller images. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this one. Scrape, pick up image. There's another one, very pretty. And then stamp. Very nice. And again, you could see it more towards the black. It picks up better. Very nice. I'll do a close-up at the end so you could see it better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out and we're gonna use the next plate, which is plate number MXM050. And for that one, I am going to use the next color. Which is chamomile. So we're gonna go ahead, use another one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this image. Let's see how this one looks. Apply your polish, scrape, and then pick up your image. Very nice. Hopefully you could see that. Very nice. And then stamp. Very pretty. You could definitely see it on both. It's more bright on the white side. All right, let me go ahead and do another one. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. This one's a really long image. And this plate looks like it's double stamp, so you stamp the inside, then you stamp that to go in the inside as well with a different color. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the image. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stamp. I'm gonna stamp this long way since it's a long image. Very pretty, I like that. Hopefully you could see it. I really like that. Okay. So those were the two stamping plates and the polishes. Here's another look at both. Again, I will do a closer, you get a closer look at them. Very pretty. I really like this. And so for the cuticle oil, I'm going to go ahead and show you that again. And then I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. That's what it looks like. That's cuticle oil. Place it on there. It does smell nice. It smells like jasmine. So I'll go ahead and apply it all over. Can never have too much cuticle oil, that's for sure. Oh, I like that. Very nice. Very, very nice. So this concludes the Manny and Me February subscription box unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how I did. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.